Hello everyone, welcome. There's something timeless about grilling over real charcoal. The Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill 22-inch brings the classic BBQ flavor to life. Perfectly seared meats, smoky veggies, and the unmistakable aroma of outdoor cooking. This is the same iconic kettle grill design that's been trusted for generations, refined for today's backyard chefs. Built from premium-grade steel with a porcelain-enameled bowl and lid, the Weber 22-inch kettle retains heat evenly and resists rust, peeling, and cracking. The 22-inch diameter cooking grate provides 363 square inches of grilling space, enough to cook up to 13 burgers at once. The adjustable air vents on the lid give you precise temperature control. Close them to slow cook ribs, or open them wide for high heat searing. The one-touch cleaning system makes ash removal easy. Just sweep debris into the removable high-capacity ash catcher. Pause again. Whether it's summer weekends, camping trips, or a backyard get-together, this grill keeps things simple, authentic, and delicious. Key features: 1. Classic 22-inch size, ideal for family BBQs and gatherings. Toe, porcelain-enameled bowl and lid, retains heat and prevents rust or peeling. 363 SQ in cooking area, enough to grill up to 13 burgers at once. 4. One-touch cleaning system, effortless ash cleanup with built-in catcher. 5. Precision air vent control, manage temperature easily for smoking or searing. 6. Durable steel construction, long-lasting build for years of use. 7. Lid hook design, conveniently hang lid on side during cooking. 8. Heat shield handle, protects hands from heat. 9. Lightweight and portable, easy to move for picnics or tailgating. Pause once more. After a few grilling sessions, you'll understand why this kettle is a legend. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience. So, if you're serious about classic barbecue flavor, the Weber Original Kettle 22 Charcoal Grill